Access granted.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you GameX AI. So let's check, ano ba si GameX AI? It's a pioneering company na expert sila when it comes to the AI technology. Bakit AI? At ano ang AI or Artificial Intelligence? Bakit ito mahalaga? AI is a machine that are programmed to think and learn like humans. Medyo nakakatakot yung term, ano? Think and learn like humans. Kaya niya kasi mag-perform ng mga task o trabaho na normally nangangailangan ng human intelligence. Pero along the way, nag-evolve siya, nagde-develop at naging stand-alone, making our lives easier. Pinapadali niya yung buhay natin and more efficient, lalo na sa mga industriya po, iba't ibang industry. This is the wave of the future. Yung nasa harapan nyo po ngayon is the next big thing sa lahat po ng industriya. Isa po kasi itong innovation that will change the way we live. Kaya kailangan mong sumabay sa technology ng AI. Kasi isa itong powerful tool for generating income. Pag natutunan mo ito, nakapag-adapt ka rito, sumabay ka sa technology ng AI, definitely you will earn. And for you to be able to do that, kailangan mo po ng isang company na merong technology. And that's where GameX AI comes into the picture. Because the mission of the company ay baguhin, i-revolutionize ang gaming and crypto industry sa pamamagitan ng advanced and accessible AI solutions. By developing AI agents na mag-a-analyze ng mga complex na data, mag-adapt sa pagbabago or pabago-bagong cryptocurrency market conditions, at i-guide po lahat ng affiliates, members, investors, or on a short term, users para mabilis nilang matutunan ang pabago-bagong kalakaran ng gaming and cryptocurrency industry. If you're into crypto right now, alam mo po yan. The market, the industry is very unpredictable. Meaning, hindi na po ikaw mismo ang gagawa ng mga mahihirap na task na ito. Meron ng sophisticated and state-of-the-art AI agents. Again, let me repeat that word, AI agents. Para sa lahat. Regardless kung bago ka man sa industry or matagal ka na. The vision of the company ay manguna sa buong mundo sa pagbibigay ng hindi mapapantayang value sa gaming and cryptocurrency industry. Just like these 4 companies that are right now pioneer sa paggamit ng AI technology. The first company is NVIDIA. Isa siyang software company na gumagawa ng graphics processing units or GPU na ginagamit ng mga supercomputer and workstations sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Before, ang trabaho lang ng NVIDIA is gumawa ng mga graphics para sa mga games. Pero nag-evolve po sila, gumamit sila ng AI, and that AI revolutionized the GPUs in the market. Kasi bakit? Sila na po yung nagsosolve ng mga complex data. Again, the world pala ay napapalibutan na po ng computers and programs. Kahit hindi ka techie, alam mo, nararanasan mo, nakikita mo na unti-unti yung mga computers are currently being used sa iba't ibang industry. On the other hand, ChatGPT naman from OpenAI, yung company po nila OpenAI, gumawa sila ng ChatGPT. Pioneer naman po sila sa pag-create ng AI chatbot na kayang makipag-usap sa tao in a conversational manner. Think of it this way, Messenger. Nakikipag-usap ka or Telegram, nakikipagkwentuhan ka, pero ang kausap mo, tao lang din, user lang din sa platform. But ChatGPT, ikaw ay nakikipag-usap, nagtatanong, at yung kausap mo nag-i-evolve, nag-iisip. AI po siya. So sumasagot siya na parang tao using the very large database. Meron po silang database at standalone yung pag-iisip niya. AMD or Advanced Micro Devices, pioneer naman po sa paggawa ng mga processor sa computer. Kung pamilyar ka sa computer, meron po yung pinaka-processor, yung utak po niyan. Okay? Ginamitan din nila ito ng AI para mas mabilis at mas efficient. And of course, sino ba naman ang hindi makakakilala sa Microsoft? Nakilalang kilala po natin as software company founded by Bill Gates. Sila yung gumagawa ng mga programs, operating system like Windows 10, Windows 11, and the likes. Noong 2023, they launched Microsoft Copilot. Integrated po yan sa lahat ng Windows. Merong Copilot. Bakit? Isa po itong artificial intelligence chatbot. Lahat po ng nabanggit na yan, yung 4 na multi-billion dollar company na yan, ay mga pioneer in their own field. Kaya po ang company po natin is also a pioneer when it comes to AI sa gaming and crypto. GameX AI is registered in Seychelles, a crypto-friendly, tax-efficient jurisdiction. Kasi yung bansang po yan ay merong malinaw na batas na nagsosupport sa paggamit at pag-trade ng digital currencies like bitcoins, if you're familiar with the word or the term, which makes it easier for crypto agencies to operate and succeed. And on the first quarter of 2025, we will be opening our Dubai marketing office, which strategically, nakaposition tayo sa Dubai kasi yung location na yun nangunguna sa technological advancement. Para sa ganun, mas malaki yung chance natin na mag-succeed. By the second quarter po of 2025, we will be opening or expanding our territorial sa Singapore para ma-penetrate natin ang Asian market. So meron ng increasing need at nag-i-invest ng iba-ibang kumpanya sa buong mundo para sa AI technology. Kasi alam nila na ang AI is the next trillion-dollar industry. Mind you, trillion-dollar ang pera na umiikot dito. And if you happen to be part of this industry, kahit 1% lang po, kikita ka po talaga. And the good news is, dahil sa GameX AI, isa ka sa pioneer sa paggamit ng technology na ito para mag-accumulate ka ng huge profit. This, ladies and gentlemen, ay ang products natin sa GameX AI. We have the Baccarat Cashback Farming AI. Pinapadali niya na kumita ng cashback sa gaming kasi gumagamit ng strategy. And we have the Crypto Liquidity Farming AI. Pinapabilis niya naman na makabili at makabenta ng available na digital currency. Kaya niyang i-identify ang tamang timing para marami kang profit. So how does Baccarat farming actually works? Ito yung tanong sa mga hindi pa masyadong immersed sa mga gaming. If you would look at the picture or the chart, ito yung step-by-step na gagawin ng AI. Maglalagay siya ng mga kontroladong funds sa BetSwap para mag-accumulate ng cashback. Tapos sa stake naman, gagamit siya ng effective na strategy para naman mag-generate ng profit. Bakit critical or importante sa proseso ang AI? Number 1 is precision and speed. Mabilis at eksakto, nakakapag-execute siya ng mga complex strategies. Again, the word is strategy kasi importante po yan when it comes to gaming. At maliit ang risk kasi nag-a-adjust siya in real time. And of course, nakakalculate niya, alam niya kung ano at magkano lang yung kaya niyang ilabas na amount para ma-maximize niya yung cashback. Look at this. Ganito ang dynamics ng cashback arbitrage. Sa Casino A, nag-offer ng 20% cashback sa talo or losses. Sa Casino B, nag-aalaw siya, pumapayag na gumamit ng strategic na pagtaya na sistema, gumagamit ng sistema without cashback, but definitely 100% yung profit. Now, bakit naman importante ang crypto liquidity farming AI? Again, 3 terms: precision and speed, risk management, and arbitrage opportunity optimization. Pag sinabing arbitrage, ito yung sabay-sabay na pagbili at pagbenta ng mga digital currencies na open sa market na hindi kayang gawin ng tao because of limited na kayang gawin ng utak ng tao. Paano po gumagana yan? Ito po yung tinatawag na DeFi arbitrage or decentralized finance. Ibig sabihin, hindi po paghahawak ng isang entity. Ang mahahawak po nito kung sino po yung involved sa transactions. Again, arbitrage, sabay-sabay na pagbili at pagbebenta. So what will happen is, ito po yung DeFi arbitrage. Ito yung kayang gawin ng AI. Again, yung advantage ng AI na hindi kayang gawin ng isang tao because of this limited and limitations pati na pag-critical thinking or sa execution. Alam po na ito ng mga nag-stock markets and even po sa mga DeFi na mga agencies right now. And aside from that, you will have the opportunity na magkaroon ng free tokens. Itong tokens na ito, pwede mo pong i-liquefy ito or gamitin. Sa pamamagitan po ng ating neobank, magiging stakeholder ka po pag dumating na po yung ating banking platform. And of course, ilalabas din po yung ating kauna-unahang AI casino. Makakapag-invest ka doon at makakapag-participate ka as profit sharer. Yes, you heard me right. Pwede ka pong maging may-ari po ng casino because you are part of the company as a profit sharer. Magkakaroon ka rin ng mga exclusive na benefits, premium po yan, ng mga services and special offers with our ecosystem. Ibig sabihin, kung part ka po ng GameX AI, ikaw lang po yung may privilege na magkaroon ng mga services and special offers. And of course, the tokens, merong discount and exclusive na mga events po, ng mga access po yan. Looking ahead, itong token na ito, if you remember Bitcoin, before 2019, I think, if I'm not mistaken, nung nilaunch po ito, wala po itong value. But right now, that token has approximately a 4 million value po sa market. And that what would happen sa ating token din. So this is an exciting part kasi yung token right now is being given away as free ng company natin. Ganun po sila ka-generous. Aside from that, I think this is the first in the industry na magkakaroon ng isang platform or isang company ng marketplace. Anong mangyayari sa marketplace? Again, magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon na kumita sa mga eksklusibong deals. Meron itong mga free-to-play games and exclusive launchpad access. Think of it this way. Kung familiar ka po sa Facebook, meron pong marketplace dyan na maraming nagbebenta ng kung anong item. With the GameX AI Marketplace, dito po magkakaroon ng mga exclusive top-of-the-line brands na mabibili mo exclusively with the tokens that we have sa GameX AI. Paano gumagana yung reward-driven token ecosystem? Paano ito dinidistribute? Ito po ay binibigay exclusively. Exclusive lang po ito ibibigay sa mga kasama sa affiliate program. That means you have to be a member, you have to be activated para ka po magkaroon ng token. And of course, this token is proportion po sa contribution mo sa affiliate program. That means if nag-work yung affiliate program mo sa binary program, meron ka pong mga free tokens na makukuha from the company itself. Ang future project po ng, sa paggamit ng token, sabihin dito natin magagamit ito, anong gagawin mo sa mga token na ito, is magkakaroon ka po ng chance. Kasi magkakaroon po tayo ng tinatawag na Crypto Neo Bank Access. Imagine that. This is the first time that I've heard company na bibili ng sarili nilang gapo. So ang gagamitin po dyan is yung token para ma-access po yung banking platform at makapag-load ka ng crypto sa mga branded card. This card, by the way, I've heard is a Visa card. Now look at this roadmap. Ito po ang future na mangyayari once you become part of this company. By the first quarter of 2025, ipi-pre-launch po yung event natin. Dubai office and Philippines office, magkakaroon din po ng marketplace launch. On the second quarter, i-release na po yung Visa card natin. And officially, we're gonna be holding an event. Probably gaganapin po ito sa Dubai with the top leaders from different countries. Kasi nagsisimula na po tayo. Again, you have to remember, nasa pioneering stage po tayo. Nag-build tayo right now, accumulating leaders from different parts of the world. And by the third quarter, lalabas na po yung Blockchain or AI Academy. Dito tuturuan na ang lahat para matuto kung paano gumagana, paano pinapatakbo, paano mag-benefit sa tinatawag natin ng artificial intelligence at sa blockchain. Magkakaroon din po ng jackpot pool launch and of course remittance card launch. By the fourth quarter, launching na po again ng neobank natin. First that I've heard, a company na bibili po ng sariling bangko. By the first quarter of 2026, officially we will launch our online casino. Kung hindi ka po medyo pamilyar sa mga online gaming or medyo may pagka-religyoso, it's okay. And the second quarter, dyan na po i-enlist yung token natin. Remember, free po yung token natin as of this moment. Libre pa siyang pinibigay ng company. But on the 2026 second quarter, magkakaroon na po siya ng value. By the third quarter, magkakaroon na po tayo ng blockchain and DeFi wallet. Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon na po tayo ng smart contract. And you will learn this kasi magkakaroon tayo ng AI Academy. Kasi yung iba, hindi pa pamilyar kung ano ba yung blockchain, ano ba yung DeFi wallet. Don't worry. Okay? Tuturuan ka po namin dyan step by step. Mula sa pinaka-basic hanggang sa pinaka-advanced na dapat mong matutunan when it comes to cryptocurrency and the digital entrepreneurship, ituturo ko namin. On the fourth quarter, lalabas na po yung ating sariling DEX exchange. Ibig sabihin, exchanger. If you're familiar with Bitcoin, may mga exchanger po yan na kung saan pinapalit po nila yung mga cryptocurrencies into dollars or pesos straight into your wallet. Okay? Magkakaroon na po tayo niyan. And by the first quarter ng 2027, magkakaroon na po ng advanced super AI agents. If the AI agents right now is working for you, kikita ka because of their advanced technological aspect. What more pagdating po ng advanced super AI agents? So pag-usapan na po natin, how would you become part of this company? Paano ka magiging affiliate? Because we have a program. Okay? Yung program natin, multi-tier. Pag sinabing multi-tier, maraming pamamaraan for you to earn. Pwede kang kumita through referrals and sub-affiliates. And then yung earning mechanism natin, yung paraan natin para makita at makuha yung ating income has a real-time tracking. Okay, definitely ma-appreciate mo ito kasi bakit po naka-black and white. Kita mo lahat kung magkano yung income mo dito sa company. Ito po yung ating compensation plan. If you become part of this company, you're registered and of course, na-activate na po natin yung license mo, meron ka ng chance para kumita sa pamamagitan ng tatlo. Number one is the daily license yield or most popularly known as passive income. So lahat po ng affiliates will have a daily license income between 0.5 and 0.6. Ito po ay binibigay sa USDT. So magkakaroon ka rin ng bonus na mag-gain X tokens as part of the reward system. Ito po ay kasama sa ginagawa ng mga AI agent which happens to be our product. Sa direct referral naman, if you're familiar, matagal ka na sa MLM, okay, familiar ka sa binary system, okay, sa pag-build ng grupo, down the line of your organization, alam mo po yung direct referral. Kikita ka ng 5 to 10%, ranging from 5 to 10%, depende po sa license na pinili ng tao na personally ni-refer mo po sa platform or sa GameX AI. Ang tawag po dito is direct referral bonus. Aside from that, meron pang pairing income. 10% naman po yan. Since binary po tayo, from the root word, buy, binoculars, bicycle, ibig sabihin dalawa. Once the system on your dashboard, nakita po na may tao pa sa left and right, you will earn an extra income sa pag-sponsor ng dalawang individual. But in order for you to earn from this compensation plan, kailangan po, you have to purchase a license. Yung license po natin, depende po sa capacity or lalim ng bulsa mo. The lowest entry is $100. On that $100 will enable you to have a direct income of 5%, a pairing income of 10%, and then meron ka na pong daily passive niyan, 0.5, 0.6. And ito po yung isa sa magandang feature ng company to make sure that they will not overpay. Yung tinatawag po natin na maximum license yield. And everybody who is in this program will take advantage of this maximum license yield. Kasi bakit po? Every time na nagka-times 3 na yung income mo, for example, $100, at nag-earn ka na ng $300, you will be obligated to relicense. What will happen is you earn $200 and then you have an option. Yung $100 mo, exactly around 5,900 right now, is i-relicense po siya. Or you can opt or choose to upgrade your license. Kasi bakit? Once you upgrade your license, definitely mas mataas po yung kikitain mo sa daily passive income. You get my point? But the good thing about this is if you have an organization down the line, okay, lahat po magre-relicense din. So, ibig sabihin, mauulit at mauulit yung direct income mo, yung pairing income mo. For example, you have 500 leaders down the line of your organization. Lumaki na siya. And then you reach the maximum, yung maximum license yield na 250, nag-750 ka na. Okay, obligated ka or required ka po na mag-relicense. Pero, magkakaroon ka rin po ng mga kumikita sa ilalim mo na in order for them to continue earning from the direct income or pairing income, they will be relicensing again. So, mauulit yung direct income, mauulit yung pairing income. Aside from that, kumikita ka pa every day ng 0.5 to 0.6. So if you will be starting from $100 right now, i-goal mo, make it a point na after a couple of years, ma-reach mo yung pinaka-highest na license cost. Bakit? Kasi magkaiba po ang daily passive income na matatanggap mo from, let's say, just $1,000 sa $100. Sa $100, 15 to 18% every month aabot po yan. But if you will have $1,000, just imagine, aside from the direct income na 10%, magkakaroon ka ng 10% na pairing income, yung 0.5 and 0.6 na daily passive income mo mas malaki. Kinompute namin yan, we come up with the numbers of almost 10,000 pesos every month. On the other hand, you have this platform, you have this opportunity, which is GameX AI, na kung saan yung same amount of money mo, in just 6 months time, 6 months, we guarantee na babalik sa'yo yung pinuhunan. What would happen is, on the 7th month, on the 8th month, on the 9th month, in 1 year, in the 2nd year, yung pumapasok monthly sa'yo na pera ay kita mo na. Na kahit wala kang ginagawa, no selling needed. O hindi required na mag-refer ka if you don't want to. Sa mga investor, ito yung highly recommended namin. Kasi bakit? Kung may pera ka din lang naman sa bangko, natutulog yung pera mo, or if you would put that sa isang negosyo na mataas ang risk na malugi, merong overhead expenses at mababawi mo sa loob ng maraming taon, like you become an investor in this company, lalaki at lalaki, mag-accumulate yung income mo as time passes by. So definitely, time would fly eh. Hindi mo namamalayan a couple of days from now, December na. And a couple of days from now, 2025 na. What would happen is, of course, your money is working for you. At sa apat na pamamaraan para kumita ka ng pera, isa ang investment sa pinaka-effective way for you to earn ng pera. So yung pinakamataas na license po natin dito is $25,000. roughly around 1.4 million pesos. Yes, malaki. Pero sa mga negosyante po talaga na may-ari ng mga companies, maliit lang po ito kasi they would put up business with structures, manpowers, overhead expenses. They would put up more than 1.4 million. Some even loses millions of pesos in just putting up a regular traditional business. On this digital entrepreneurship program, your 1.4, your millions in the bank would earn you a daily passive income of more than 290,000 on a monthly basis. That is huge money, ladies and gentlemen. And I want you to think about this. If you're a builder, network builder ka, okay, nag-build ka, and you're tired na para trabahuhin pa yung pag-build ng tao, you can opt for this. You can choose this. Pwede kang kumita through passive income. Aside from that, of course, the company on its pioneering stage is very generous. Kasi sinusuklian nito yung effort na ginagawa mo. We have rankings. And ang rankings, of course, ito ay performance-driven. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-perform ka sa company, nagkakaroon ng resulta, at the same time, nire-rewardan ng company yung effort. For example, yung rank 1, ang requirement dito, kailangan naka $1,000 license ka or roughly around 59,000 pesos. Aabot ka ba dun? Definitely yes. Kasi yung pera mo, tumutubo na tumutubo eh. Ipapasok mo lang ulit ng ipapasok sa negosyo para kumita siya ng kumita ng pera. That is called your money is working for you. On the law of investment, isa yan sa pinaka-fundamentals. Hindi ikaw magtatrabaho kasi unlike businessman, mag-hire ka ng mga tao eh. Pero if you're an investor, right now, yung pera mo, yung magtatrabaho para sa'yo. So lalaki at lalaki siya. Exponential kasi yun. Magsisimula sa maliit, kikita at tutubo, ipapasok mo ulit, paikutin mo yung pera mo, aabot siya ng $1,000. Yes, it's possible. Yung pairing income mo, this would derive dun sa binary program. Ibig sabihin, pag nagkaroon ka ng tao left and right, dumami na duplicate, and you'll earn $1,000, the company will reward you with $500 cash. Siyempre, mapipigilan ba yung paglaki ng license? Definitely not. Kung may plano ka talaga na maging solid yung future mo 3 years from now or even 1 year from now. What if nag-work out para sa'yo? Itong opportunity na ito, lumaki ng lumaki yung license mo because you plan it well, you sit down with your coaches, dumami din yung tao sa ilalim. Kasi again, you have to remember, nasa law of first po tayo, pioneering stage. Sa ayaw at sa gusto mo, malalagyan at malalagyan ka ng tao sa ilalim. Kasi pioneering nga, once our company will be introduced to the world at nakaposition ka, nakapwesto ka, wala ka pong choice. Yung mga tao na papasok milyon-milyon from different parts of the world, 200 countries all over the world, papasok po yan sa ilalim mo. And yung affiliate program mo na left and right, kikita ka po ron. By the time you reach rank 10, and your personal license is $25,000, and your pairing income has come to, ang daming zero neto, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's 20,000 or 2 million. The company will give you, again, reward you with $500,000. Ang laking pera na. Ganito ka generous. Hindi nagbibigay ng reward yung ibang company. Imagine, kumikita ka na sa personal license mo, may daily passive ka, kumikita ka ng walang ginagawa, meron ka pang pairing income, okay, sa laki ng network mo, from people under you, meron pang reward ang company. Napag-usapan po natin, teka lang, active income, masipag ka ba? Yes, kung masipag ka na tao, gawin mo to. Kasi sa active income, even po sa only 100 license, magsimula ka 100 license, then you have a lot of people nakakilala. Ang requirement lang naman dito sa proven effective system natin tawag nating power of 2 is at least makapagpasali ka ng 2. Sobrang dali po nun. Kasi bakit? Higit pa po sa 2 yung kakilala mo. Let's say on week 1, you've decided maganda pala yung company. We are on pioneering stage. Gumagamit kami ng napakagandang produkto. I'll give it a try, $100. On week 2, nakapagpasali ka or you refer someone to the company. Nagka-fail din sila ng license, so nagkaroon ka ng tao sa left, nagkaroon ka ng tao sa right. The company will give you $10. Sa peso, 570 yun. And think of this way. Pag na-duplicate ka, naturuan mo yung mga tao sa ilalim. Kasi tuturuan talaga natin yan eh. Our community has created more than 60 multimillionaires 3 years ago. And we can make that happen eh. Ibig sabihin nagawa na, uulitin na lang. Hindi tsamba kasi 60, napakarami po nun para maging milyonaryo. So ginawa natin yung sistema na ito, ituturo lang din natin sa mga taong mapapasahin mo. Ang trabaho mo, 2 tao lang ang ipapasok mo. And let the system works for you. Kasi in week 4, magkakaroon 2 sa left, 2 sa right, you earn $20, 1,140 yan. And by the time that you've reached week 24, exactly 6 months, ladies and gentlemen, you have accumulated an income of 4.6 million pesos. 4,660,890 pesos to be exact. Life changer po yan kapag nagkaroon ka ng ganyang resulta, especially right now. Kapag ikaw ay nagtatrabaho lang sa isang ordinaryong kumpanya, you're earning just the minimum wage. What if kumita ka ng 4.6? Is it possible? Yes. Is it doable? Yes. Is it duplicable? Yes. Kasi again, nagawa na po before. Uulitin na lang. Ang isang bagay na kayang ulitin, dahil po yan sa sistema, pagtutulungan ng isang community. Meron mga nagsasabi na, teka lang, hindi naman 100% makukuha yung 4.6 million. Yes, I respect your opinion. Possible na hindi magtutuloy-tuloy yung iba. Possible yung iba investor lang, hindi magpapasok ng tao. Possible yung iba tumigil along the way. Pero what if kalahati ng 4.6 million or even 1/4 ng 4.6 million or even 500,000 na lang yung kitain mo sa loob ng 6 na buwan? Would you think is it worth it para sumubok at gawin ang GameX AI? If a few months from now, your 2025 would be a whole lot different from your 2024. Kasi bakit? Noong 2024, nagsimula ka, wala kang pera, ginawan mo ng paraan. Yung paraan na yan, ikaw lang ang nakakaalam. Pero pagpasok ng 2025, you'll have 500,000 pesos. Lalo na kapag nag-$1,000 license ka or roughly around 59 pesos. So mga investor right now, mahilig mag-invest sa different companies, mahilig mag-invest sa different platforms, mahilig mag-invest sa mga company, mga fly-by-night na nangangako ng mataas na dividends, 10%, 100% after a couple of months, na napagod na laging natatalo at nagsasara yung mga kumpanyang pinagkakatiwalaan nila. I want you to look at this right now. If you have 59,000 pesos in your bank or in your account right now at gusto mo talagang kumita sa isang platform, sa isang company na pang long term, na in just a couple of weeks or months, you have the chance to earn 46 million pesos. Again, let me repeat that. A chance for you to earn 46 million. Could you just imagine what kind of life will you have and the families you would be able to help because kumita ka ng pagkalaki na? Is it possible? Pwede ba talagang kumita ng ganyang kalaking pera, Bong? Of course. Again, this industry is the great equalizer. Hindi importante rito kung wala kang alam. Hindi importante rito kung wala kang pinag-aralan. Hindi importante rito kung bata, matanda ka. Ang importante rito, simulan mo ngayon. And along the way, habang natututunan mo siya, habang kumikita ka, ginagawa mo yung programa ng ating community, you will have a chance. What if, just imagine, what if makuha mo siya? Kasi 3 years ago, I know a person very close to me that started being sa digital industry. That guy, kilala ko talaga siya. He earned 40 million in a span of 3 years. So, posible pala. Pwede pala. All you have to do is believe in the platform and the system. Teka lang, medyo mahirap yung mag-build. Gusto ko passive income lang. I wanted to be an investor lang. Okay, no problem with that. Because our platform will give you a chance again to earn without doing nothing. No selling needed, hindi ka mag-PPMA, walang monthly maintenance dito, walang quota, okay? Hindi mo kinakailangan magpasok ng tao kung ayaw. Kung ayaw mo lang, options lang yun. Kasi bakit? Pwede ka pa rin kumita based on your license. If you would look at the chart right now, look at it closely. Pwede niyong i-zoom yan. Sa mga first-timer po na nandito sa kwartong ito, I want you to look at it closely. Kasi ito po yung isa sa pinakamaganda na offer ng ating company. Imagine on $100 license. On your 7th month, kumikita ka ng $15. On your 18th month, you'll have $300. What if ipaikot mo pa, meron kang $500 license? Bawi ka na on the 6th month, on the 7th, 8th, 9th month, meron kang $75. Lalo na kung nag-1,000 license ka. Kasi sa 18 months mo, may $3,000 ka po. And you will come to a point, kapag sinimulan mo ito, maniwala ka po sa akin. Believe me, mangyayari po ito. Magkakaroon ka ng $10,000 na license. Kasi yung pera mo, kumikita using our AI agency. Guaranteed yung profit. Kahit wala kang ginagawa. And every month, meron kang $1,500. That is $30,000 18 months. Or roughly around 1.7 million. Imagine, sa passive income pala, pwede ka nang maging milyonaryo. How much more kung trinaba ko at sinipagan pa? You get my point? And I hope you're actively listening right now. Kasi, ang opportunity po, minsan lang dadaan sa buhay niya. Pag yan po, nakalipas na, hindi mo na maibabalik. So right now, we are currently on the pioneering stage. Pre-launching pa lang tayo. Just imagine kung gaano karami o milyong-milyong tao ang dadagsak at gagawin ng GameX AI once it will be announced and introduced to the whole world. Kaya napakaswerte mo po. Innovation po tayo. Yes, cutting-edge advancement technology yung ginagamit natin. Bilang pioneer sa field na ito, sa industriya ng gaming and cryptocurrency, alam po namin na yung mga bagong technology, pwede pong maka-encounter yan ng mga challenges along the way. So you have to be responsible at aware ka po rito. Ayaw namin dumating yung time, okay, na mag-uusap tayo and you will be, yung sisisihin mo kami, okay? Kaya kailangan responsable ka po yung pag-invest mo rito. Kasi yung commitment namin sa'yo, yes, our company is continuously improving. We have a lots of good news coming along the way. Meron nga po ngayon pa nabasa ko kanina sa chat room. One of our marketing materials is gonna be ilalabas. So dedicated po kami para pagandahin pa ng pagandahin yung platform na meron tayo. Our leaders in the Philippines are currently communicating with our marketing director right now. And again, transparent po tayo, andun po yung 100% support natin. So moving forward, let's do this together. Magtiwala kayo sa company, magtiwala kayo sa community, at pagtitiwalaan natin na soon, a couple of months from now, a year from now, ibang-iba na yung buhay na mangyayari sa atin. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we encourage you to join us. Be part of the AI-driven future ng gaming and crypto. Dahil ko sinasabi, yung GameX AI is a plane of opportunity. Sumama ka man o hindi, lilipad po ito. Sasabog ito sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Remember that word. Mark that word. So don't miss out. Sumama ka para makasama ka sa mga susunod na multi-millionaire ng kumpanya at sa industry ng gaming and crypto. Thank you so much for your time. Tapos na po.